Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're playing in a glueless water wave headband wig courtesy of JurllyShe. Now this is my natural hair. You guys see it often, and today I did a fresh blowout on my hair, and you guys know I really don't press my hair. I just blow dry it and throw it in a ponytail. But I've been working on my baby hair, so if it looks a little weird to you guys, trust me, I'm trying to master the art of my baby hair, my natural baby hair on my natural hair. So as I said before, this is going to be a glueless water wave headband wig, and I'm going to be installing her for you guys start to finish, and this is what she looks like when you get her straight out of the packaging. The one thing I love about these headband wigs are that they are super simple and easy to install, extremely beginner friendly. The strap here that I'm showing you literally is the only thing you need to do to install. As I mentioned, this is a glueless install, so instead of bonding anything down, got to be gluing anything or spraying anything down, all you have to do is prep your natural hair. For me, I did a fresh blowout on my hair earlier in the day, so I just made baby hair with a little bit of got to be glue gel. Now I don't want to do braids because I do want to wear my natural hair in a blowout when I'm not wearing wigs, so I'm going to just brush it into a low bun. But typically, as you guys have seen in all the other headband wig videos that I've done here, I literally will do 2 French braids and that'll keep it flat, and then kind of beehive them in the back, and then on top of that I'll add the wig cap to protect my natural hair, and then from there you just will install the wig, which you'll see in just a moment. And this is what the wig looks like on. As you guys can see, it does fit pretty snug on my head. I kind of had to pry it on, which is exactly what you want. Since this wig is not going to be bonded down, you definitely don't want it to fit loose. As always, I did the head shake test where I kind of like swing my hair up and down and back and forth to see if it's going to fly off, and it definitely has a grip. If you want to give it a little bit of extra security, you can add some bobby pins all the way around just to kind of, you know, marry it to your natural hair. This here is the pink headband they provided. I'm going to go ahead and install it, wet it down so you can see what that looks like, and add a little bit of product. And this is what it looks like with the pink headband they provided. I absolutely love the way this looks. I actually don't have a headband this color in my collection, so it's great to have one from them. And of course you can tuck the piece in the back end so that it does not show. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my bandeau in just a moment, but I really was loving the way this looks. Last step for me is going to be to add my product. As I said before, Aussie Moist is my go-to for wet and wavy hair, and it definitely did a great job in this video. I love the way it did with the water. It made it look super good, and the curls were definitely defined. Enter code Ashley Bedeck at checkout and you'll get money off if you're interested in this wig. All details are listed in the description box. Okay, so we are officially done with this look. As I mentioned, this one comes from JurllyShe.com. They sent it over in a beautiful water wave texture. I believe it's 200% density and 24 inches in length. Be sure to check the description box for all the details and of course a direct link to this wig. They've also included some links to some other beautiful items on their site, so you'll be able to check that out as well. Now what I love about these wigs is there are minimal effort. I went ahead and styled the hair. You guys know I love my Aussie Moist paired with water. It is the perfect combo to get really defined look, to get really defined curls, and it also makes the hair smell super good. Now, of course, this is the headband that they included with this wig. You can also have fun and do a headband of your own. This has been my current favorite handbag, or not headband of all time. So I think this will be fun to do. I think I'm going to switch to my own. Let's see. And that's the beauty in these wigs, is that, you know, they give you exactly what you need to, you know, put together a cute little look. But you can, of course, use the headbands and headbands and bandos that you already have. And of course, with these headband wigs, you can also put them up in ponytails and buns. And you guys know that's what I love. So make sure you check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video so that I know that you are loving these headband wigs. They are all the rage this season, and I think you're going to see them a ton more throughout the fall and winter seasons. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Of course, you're going to put them onto my videos. Of course, I have so many hair tutorials on this channel at this point, and I'm trying to crank out the family content for you guys as well. I have like 4 or 5 vlogs that are sitting in queue on memory cards waiting to be edited. It just takes so much time and energy to edit, so expect those up this week, including baby girl, my youngest daughter's first birthday. We went to Newport. We did a whole bunch this week, so check that out, and some luxury hauls and some fashion hauls. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.